In this video, I will be showing you how to fix login issues with ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I open a new browser tab and type ChatGPT into the search bar. Then click on the official ChatGPT search result. This loads the interface, but if it doesn't log in automatically or is unresponsive, the first thing I want to do is verify if the platform itself is experiencing a widespread issue. To check this, I open another tab and type OpenAI status into the address bar. Then select the official OpenAI status page from the results. Once the page opens, I can see a notice about any active disruptions. I scroll down to look at the system status grid and expand the ChatGPT components menu to inspect the historical uptime and check if specific services like login are currently affected by a major outage or elevated error rates. After reviewing the system health and ensuring the servers are operational, I return to my original ChatGPT tab. Since the issue might be locally cached in my browser extensions, I navigate to the top right corner, click on the three-dot settings menu, hover over extensions, and select Manage Extensions. In the Extensions control panel, I locate any active security proxy or VPN extensions that could be interfering with the site's authentication process. I toggle these extensions off one by one to rule them out as the source of the problem. Next, I head back to the ChatGPT page and open the browser's settings menu once again. This time, I select the option to delete browsing data. A settings overlay appears where I choose the desired time range, ensure the checkboxes for cookies, site data, and cached images and files are selected, and click the clear button to delete this temporary data from my device. Once the cleanup is complete, I close out the Settings tab and return to the main window. Now, to completely bypass any remaining local browser configuration issues, I open the main menu a final time and select New Incognito Window to launch a private browsing session. In this clean window, I type ChatGPT into the search bar and click on the sponsored link to load a fresh landing page. I locate and click the Login button in the top right corner, which brings up the authentication prompt. I enter my account email address in the field provided and click Continue. This redirects me to the Google sign-in screen where my email is already populated, so I simply click Next. I then type my password securely into the entry field and click Next once more. The page processes the request, goes through the necessary account redirects, and successfully loads the main dashboard with the greeting prompt, confirming that our connection issues are fully resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.